Google Tasks versus Microsoft To Do. Choosing the right task manager can boost your productivity without confusion. Google Tasks offers a clean, simple approach, while Microsoft To Do provides powerful features for managing complex tasks. Google Tasks and Microsoft To Do are popular tools for organizing daily tasks. The core difference lies in their focus. Google Tasks emphasizes straightforward task tracking, while Microsoft To Do offers a more comprehensive system with collaboration and customization options. Google Tasks is a minimalist task manager integrated tightly with Google Workspace apps like Gmail and Google Calendar. It works by allowing users to create simple task lists, set due dates, and add subtasks, all within a clean, distraction-free interface. Its strength lies in its seamless integration with Google's ecosystem, making it ideal for users who rely heavily on Gmail and Calendar for scheduling. Tasks created from emails or calendar events sync automatically, streamlining workflow without extra effort. However, Google Tasks has limitations. It lacks advanced features such as task prioritization, reminders beyond due dates, or collaboration tools. It also offers limited customization for task views or notifications. This makes it best suited for individuals or professionals who want a lightweight, no-frills solution to track personal or work tasks quickly and efficiently without overwhelming features. Microsoft To Do is a robust task management app designed for both personal use and team collaboration. It allows users to create detailed task lists, set reminders, add notes, and break down tasks into smaller steps with subtasks. One of its key strengths is integration with Microsoft 365, syncing tasks across Outlook, Teams, and other Microsoft services. The app supports task prioritization, due dates, recurring tasks, and shared lists for team projects. It also offers customization options like themes and smart suggestions to optimize productivity. However, Microsoft To Do can be more complex compared to simpler apps, which might overwhelm users looking for a basic task tracker. Its interface, while clean, includes more features that require some learning. Microsoft To Do suits users who need a comprehensive tool to manage both simple and complex tasks, especially those invested in the Microsoft ecosystem or working collaboratively. Comparing Google Tasks and Microsoft To Do reveals clear trade-offs. Google Tasks excels in simplicity and fast task entry, perfect for users who want quick reminders without distractions. It shines when paired with Gmail and Google Calendar for effortless task creation. On the other hand, Microsoft To Do offers richer functionality with task prioritization, collaboration, and customization that support both individual and team workflows. For example, a solo user managing daily errands might prefer Google Tasks for its straightforwardness, while a project manager coordinating a team would benefit from Microsoft To Do's shared lists and integration with Microsoft Teams. The choice depends on your ecosystem preference and task complexity. Google Tasks keeps things simple and lightweight, while Microsoft To Do provides a powerful, flexible platform for more detailed task management. Choose Google Tasks if you want a simple, fast, and integrated task manager for personal use within the Google ecosystem, without extra features to complicate your workflow. Opt for Microsoft To Do if you need advanced task management with prioritization, reminders, and collaboration, especially if you use Microsoft 365. It's the better choice for managing complex tasks and team projects, providing flexibility and deeper integration across Microsoft